Hello kids, welcome to my channel Student Help 21. My dear children, today we are going to learn about birds' name with their picture in very short time. Are you ready? Let's start the class. First, this bird name is Pigeon. Next, this bird name is Crane. Next, this bird name is Crow. Next, this bird name is Koel. Next, this bird name is Duck. Next, this bird name is Cock. Next, this bird name is Hen. Next, this bird name is Eagle. Next, this bird name is Kite. Next, this bird name is Kingfisher. Next, this bird name is Parrot. Next, this bird name is Sparrow. Next, this bird name is Myna. Next, this bird name is Owl. Next, this bird name is Ostrich. Next, this bird name is Peacock. Next, this bird name is Swan. Next, this bird name is Woodpecker. Next, this bird name is Skylark. Next, this bird name is Pigeon. Next, this bird name is Pivot. Next, this bird name is Raven. Next, this bird name is Egret. Next, this bird name is Pigeon. Next, this bird name is Falcon. Next, this bird name is Hoopoe. So my dear children, in today's class, we read the name of birds with their picture in very short time. So my dear children who have visited my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel, like and share. I will meet you in another such video. Till then, bye bye.